Hey everyone, welcome to my channel called Give Me 5 Minutes, where we teach you simple concepts within a span of 5 minutes. And today we are going to cover a very interesting topic where I teach you how to manage and track your personal finances using basic Excel. Now, there are tons of videos out there that teach you how to do this, but unfortunately, most of the videos either use advanced Excel formulas or pretty fancy dashboards, which could be very difficult for any beginner to follow. And today I'm going to teach you how to manage your personal finances using basic Excel. So as you can see on my screen, there are three tabs we have. One is the summary tab, then there is income and expenses and the savings tab. First we'll cover income and expenses, then savings, and in the end we'll come to summary. So what I've done basically here is created two tables, one for income and one for expenses. I've listed down the months in columns and my income and expense sources in the rows. Now you can edit or modify the income and expense sources according to your convenience and whatever are your financial sources. I have done this according to what are my income and expense sources. So yeah, and I'll be also providing this link to you in the description window, so you can modify and edit this for your convenience. So what I've done in the income table is I've just listed down my income sources, my salary, my stocks and interest income, and YouTube and any other income I have. And I've done this for 3 months. And then I have calculated the total of all my income sources, which is my overall income. And similarly for expenses, also I have done the same. Now, this table I think is the most important because most of you have a budget in mind on whenever you're spending your money and you don't want to, go overboard with your expenses or exceed your budget. So I've basically included rent, education loan repayment, grocery and food expenses, shopping, one-time expenses like if you're buying anything for your house like TV, fridge, travel and commute expenses. Maintenance is basically my mobile, electricity, gas bills. Health and medical expenses. This also includes anything I'm spending on my fitness. Trips is basically, since I like to travel, I've included trips. You can include anything as per your interest and passion that you follow. And then there is others which basically include some small expenses don't track, which I don't track as a different category. Also, you can see that in each of these categories, I have just done a simple summation or done a simple addition of all my expenses. And then there is a total of all my expenses, which is basically I have done using a sum formula. And then you can also see I have included a row for budget so that I understand that my expenses are within my budget, and as soon as I'm going exceeding my budget, I can see this in a different row here, which is basically the difference of my budget and my total expenses here. So this helps me, get an overall picture of, where I am going as far as my monthly expenses are concerned. And then the next table which I have included in my personal financial sheet is savings. And I have included some categories which I feel is right for me. Again, you can modify as per your own financial sources of saving. And I have included stocks, mutual funds, savings accounts, bonds, and gold. Again, I have done a total year, and there is another row for my savings goal. So I have a personal goal for my savings, which I track on a month-to-month basis. And I'm pretty sure most of you have something in your mind when it comes to your savings goal. And the last row is basically the difference between my actual savings and my savings goal, which gives me an idea whether I'm falling short of my savings goal or I'm on the right track. And the third and final tab is the summary tab. Summary tab is nothing but this will give you an overall picture month-wise of your income, expenses, and savings. What I've done basically here is I've pulled the data from the other sheets using an HLOOKUP. If you guys are not familiar with HLOOKUP, I'm going to give you the sheet in my description window, so you can just copy paste the formula from there. And this is how I track my personal finances using basic Excel. And I hope any one of you out there who wants to track your personal finances using basic Excel has found this video useful. Do like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.